Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove a link from your Instagram account, whether it's in your bio, story, or post. Let's get started. First, let's remove the link from your Instagram bio. Start by going to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. Once on your profile, tap the Edit Profile button just below your username. In the Edit Profile section, you will see a field labeled Website. Where your link is displayed, simply tap on that field. Now remove the link by tapping and holding to highlight the URL. Then delete it. Once it's gone, hit Done or Save at the top right corner to confirm the changes. Your link is now removed from your bio. If you've added a link to an Instagram story, here is how you can remove it. First, click on your profile picture to access your stories. Next, find the story that contains the link. If it's still live, tap on the three dots at the bottom right of the screen. To remove the link, you will need to delete the entire story. Tap Delete and confirm by tapping Delete again. The story and the link will both be removed. Now your story along with the link has been deleted. If you've placed a link in the caption of one of your posts, you will need to either edit or delete the post to remove the link. Find the post with the link and tap the three dots at the top right corner. To remove the link, tap Edit. This will allow you to modify the caption. Now tap on the caption text, highlight the link, and delete it. Once the link is deleted, tap Done or Save at the top right. The link is now removed from your post's caption. All done? By following these steps, you can remove any unwanted links from your Instagram bio, stories, and posts. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!